How to get Roblox voice chat without ID or verification. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to sign into our Roblox account, and here in the upper right hand section we can see our settings in here. Simply click on that one and go to help. Alright, once we have clicked on help, it will route us to our Roblox support page. So here all we need to do is to search an article and type in voice chat. Okay. So with voice chat, let's select chat with voice here. Now it will give us a article with regards to chat with voice. However, as we can see here, we need to complete age verification, or it gives us the steps on how to enable chat with voice. But of course, our goal is to not use an ID or age verification. Alright, so let's go down below and scroll down. Once you have seen this hyperlink, need more help, contact support, just click on that one. And by then, input all the necessary information that you need to input. Alright, so here in the issue details, all you need to do is to click on the device, for example PC, and then go to age, chat, and age settings. Once done, go to our next drop down, which is adjust child privacy and security settings, and describe the issue that you have. Now, if everything has been filled out, simply submit and wait for Roblox to contact you in 24 to 48 hours. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.